Good morning, everyone. Well, today we did get the chair put together, and I'll show you that in a minute. But I started putting, you notice I still have we're gonna connect the unit to the wall, and but I started putting stuff in here, and we're gonna finish that tomorrow because today has been a busy day. And anyway, I did get all my jewelry made that I needed to make. And then I started putting in my papers, and I started with Minte. And, you know, it's my personal favorite. So it's going to be the very first one eye level. And so I am going to still put alphabetical from left to right. Because I just can't think of it any other way. I mean, I kept thinking, oh, I'll just do it the other way. Things will still be facing this way, though, so when I look at it, I'll know which way it is, or I'll know what it is. But I'm still going to start the alphabet there, and, you know, end here. And I think I already said this, I'm going to put the solids up there. Since I started putting this heavier stuff up here, I feel like I'm moving it too much, and so hubby is gonna anchor it tomorrow, and I'm sure we won't have any problem getting the dresser out when we need to. But I thought I would start filling up the bottom space, so I've got one of the baskets out, and I'll probably need two just for my Minte, my fussy cut pieces. And so in this one here, it starts with A, and it goes to to Old Manor, which I don't have very much there. So then I will start the next basket with P. So I will actually end up putting this in that position, and then put the next one over here. And 2 should definitely do it. And I do have like punches and die cuts that I'll be putting in one of them. And I'm going to move around. And so I've got the one basket that you've seen on the table. So that is gone. I do have other fussy cut pieces from other things like P13. Anything where I had to fussy cut something, I didn't actually put it with the collection. I put it over here. And really probably because the spaces were so getting so crowded over here. So but I have one empty, the Minte shelf. Otherwise, I do have like 49 in Market here, and then I have, you know, like Farmhouse. But when I start putting things over here, after the just colored cardstock on the top shelf, then after that I will have another color section where it might be color, but maybe it's floral. Like this, I have it in coral, but that's just what I see first, and that's how I decided. Because I used to have a flower section and never ever used it. So the same way with like gingham and stuff like that, whatever the color is, so I have a solid colors, and then I have these other colors. And I always go to these first because I like lots of pattern. So I will be doing that. I might be able to get that into 2 cubes when I do that. So maybe the solids will go up there, and then the other colors. And then all my pattern paper can fit in the other spaces. So here's another basket with Minte in it. But I also have some Minte books that don't go with collections, like these here. And so I've fussy cut them, and they are behind the ones that are with a collection. So I don't know if they'll end up in another basket or not. So, so I will be doing that. And I'll probably do more of that for the next few days, just so that I don't put all this heavy stuff on the top and not have anything on the bottom. Because I do just want to, you know, my instinct is to just come over here and do this because I know what I'm doing with it. But I figure I do know what I'm going to be doing with these baskets, at least until I empty the baskets that I have on that little wire shelf. And I'm sorry, I get talking and I forget that I'm the one holding the camera. Oh, and tomorrow I'm hoping that I'll have the camera set up, and then maybe I can do some of the stuff actually with you watching. So that's it. I wanted to give you a review of what went on today. We didn't get a whole lot of stuff done, but we got up early and got the chair put together. And this is when I seen this chair. Oh, I'm trying to get back far enough that you can see it. I know it's hard to see with all the baskets behind it because it's a basket weave also. It doesn't have wheels on it, but I put felt pads on it so it kind of slides around. But I had sat in this chair because I thought, oh, that looks like a comfortable chair. And then when I went to find a desk, I just was thinking, oh, I need to find a desk chair, even though this was set at a desk earlier as we were walking around the showroom. And it's like, after I sat in all these ugly chairs that I'm thinking, oh, one of these should be so comfortable. It's like when I sat in this one, it's like the way that that back is curved seemed very comfortable to me. It's got a little bit of up and down, but that's unimportant because the table goes up and down. And it was actually pretty, that was our fastest thing to put together. So hubby really liked that. Didn't you, hubby? I don't know if you can hear him or not. But, so that's what went on today. I got my jewelry made. He helped me make chili. Actually, he made the chili. And I know it's spring, but it's cold here today. So it's like, he's like, what do you want to do for dinner? It's like, well, we'll make chili. It's super fast. So that's it for today. And I'm excited to get some stuff in here, but I also felt like I really moved stuff. So I'll be glad to get some weight down here. He'll get the anchors in up to the top, and we'll get the show on the road. And that'll be, I'm excited to get stuff moved in. I might actually end up putting this in the closet. Because in the closet I have this two plastic tubs that when I used to do arts and crafts shows with my jewelry, I actually had the inventory in those tubs, or the plastic drawers. And so it's like, I'm thinking, I think I can get this in the closet, and I think I'll put that in there for whatever else I think I need to store in there. But my goal is to get rid of a lot more stuff, but I did put a bunch of stuff in the closet that right now I don't even know what it is. But I hope to go through it. It's like I started putting things up here, and I really want to kind of go through everything. But right now my goal is just to get things moved so I can get the dresser moved out and yeah, get everything going. So thanks for hanging out with me. Have a wonderful and blessed day, and hopefully I will have the camera on the tripod tomorrow, and I'll see you then. Bye-bye.